World Cup winning cricketer Kranti Kaur received a warm welcome in Chhatarpur on Friday. Locals showered her with flowers and cheered, loudly shouting Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Collector Parth Jaswal and SP Agam Jain met Kranti and honoured her with a shawl, coconut and appreciation letter. Earlier in Bhopal, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav also honoured Kranti at the CM house, presenting her with a memento and shawl. The CM made a special announcement. Kranti's father Munna Singh will be reinstated in the police department. The young cricketer victory has made the entire Madhya Pradesh proud. A grand year-long celebration for 150 years of Vande Mataram began today in Bhopal. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched the campaign named Vande Mataram at the rate 150 at Shaurya Smarak and the BJP state office. The CM and others sang the original version of the patriotic song together. He said the sacred word of Vande Mataram inspired unity and love for the motherland. The event will include exhibition, cultural program and school competition across the state. The celebration aims to remind people of the song's power during India's freedom movement and its message of courage and devotion. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will visit Panchmani on Saturday to attend the ongoing Navsrijan Abhiyan training camp. The camp started on November 2nd and will continue till November 12th. Rahul Gandhi will meet newly appointed district presidents and their families to discuss the party's organizational goals. He will also hold one-on-one meeting to review their work and ideas. The training aims to prepare leaders for upcoming election and improve local leadership. Rahul will stay overnight in Panchmani and Congress workers across Madhya Pradesh are preparing for his much-awaited visit. Congress MLA Nirmala Sapre from Bina is facing serious legal trouble. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has issued notice to her, the state government and Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar. The court was hearing a petition filed by Leader of Opposition Umang Singhar questioning the legality of her post. The High Court has asked for detailed replies from all sides by November 18, when the next hearing will take place. The case has created tension within the Congress party in Sagar district. Supporters of Sapre are hopeful, but the opposition is demanding strict action. The Supreme Court of India has dismissed an appeal to rebuild the Takya Mosque that was demolished during the Mahakal Temple expansion project in Ujjain. The petitioners claim the mosque was a 200-year-old Waqf property, but the court ruled in favor of the district administration, calling it illegal construction. The demolition took place on January 11, 2025, when 257 nearby houses were also removed. With the appeal dismissed, the halted construction work is now likely to resume soon. The ruling ends a 10-month legal battle and clears the way for further temple development around Mahakal. A special meeting ordered by the Madhya Pradesh High Court regarding Jabalpur's Dhumna Airport expansion ended without any clear outcome. The airport was upgraded at a cost of Rs 400 crore, yet only 6 flights currently operate to 5 cities. The Citizen Consumer Forum had complained about the poor air connectivity. The High Court directed DGCA, airline officials and the state government to find a solution together. However, the meeting remained inconclusive. Citizens are demanding more flights from Jabalpur to Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. The court will review the progress again soon. A new moral education initiative has started in Madhya Pradesh Police Training School. Training constable will now study lessons from the Bhagavad Gita during their 9 months training. ADG Training Raja Babu Singh issued the official order on November 3rd. The move aims to build character, honesty and discipline among new recruits. Around 4,000 male and female trainees in 8 police training centers will attend Gita reading session weekly. Officials said the teachings will help trainees lead to righteous and disciplined life. The initiative has received appreciation for combining spiritual learning with police ethics. Bageshwar Dham head Pandit Dhirendra Krishna Shastri launched the Hindu Sanatan Ekta Yatra 2.0 from Delhi's Indraprastha on Friday. The yatra will continue till Vrindavan and aims to promote peace and unity among Hindus. Popular spiritual speaker Jaya Kishori has also joined the movement and released a video confirming her participation. Thousands of followers are expected to join the yatra on its route. The event will include devotional songs, speeches and public meetings to spread the message of social harmony, brotherhood and the strength of India's ancient culture. The winter season has arrived early in Madhya Pradesh with a sudden drop in temperature. Rajgarh became the coldest city in the state on Thursday night, recording 9 degrees Celsius, which is even colder than hill station Panchmadi. Indore also saw record-breaking cold with a minimum temperature of 10.3 degrees Celsius. The meteorological department said snowfall in northern states has caused the chill. Bhopal resident experienced a cool breeze and light fog in the morning. People have started using warm clothes earlier than usual, and weather experts predict further temperature drops in the coming week.